bike. I don't like it. Well, I do, but you don't have it at all. Look at this. Look. Let's pull a wheelie. Not gonna happen. Not gonna happen. Jack on track. Come over here. Pull a wheelie for me on this bike. Because I'm not getting anywhere with it. Look now, like. See? Why just playing shit. I will show that go-kart track footage to you right now. No hands! Look, Mom, no hands! Look, Mom, no hands! It's like you're riding a bicycle. It's like, hoo. Look. No hands. Look. Look, Mom. Okay, I was in third gear. I was in third gear. Okay, let's not pull that front brake. Maybe one time, maybe 2 times, maybe 2. This is like my tunnel. That's not fun at all. I'll not do that. That was a fucking old bus! Let me show you one thing that we have. We have this. We have horses, we have cows, no, we don't have cows. We have farts, we have dogs, we have cats, we have all kinds of rats. No, we don't. We do not have rats, but we do have fats, because I'm the fat one in the family. Fat people, fat people, fat people, fat people, fat people. Am I making fun of fat people? No, not because I'm a fat person myself. Let's get this bike all retarded up in here. Let's park it right here. Let's sing a little song for him. Or maybe not. I don't know. Hello, kitty. Hello, kitty. You look so You look happy. Yes, very happy kitty. Look at the kitty. Look, 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 look. There you go.